Take you guys back to the glorious and the golden age of the famous Kaohsiung port. So I want you to imagine that you are a sailor in that age. That's the entrance of the Kaohsiung harbor. You keep seeing boats coming in and out. About 50 years ago, in 1967, Kaohsiung harbor was the third biggest one in the whole world. Well, as a foreigner, when you come to Kaohsiung for the first time, what do you feel? That's also what the British people feel when they first came to Kaohsiung at that time. So they built this external corridor outside their building, so it has some more shelters and more shades. And it is the oldest Western building still being preserved here in Taiwan. So now we're gonna enter the Dragon and Tiger pagodas through the dragon's mouth. You know, Western dragon kidnap princes, eat kids, and eat people and stuff. But the dragon is like a holy, sacred animal in Eastern culture. It's like a protector, a guardian. So when you enter through the dragon's mouth, that means you always got the good blessing and the protection. You're getting all the good things from the dragon.